We're going to manually slope this laser. The 1% slope is 1 inch on 8 feet. So for this area where we're going away from the house, I'm just going to do 1% slope. So it's about 20 feet. That'll be 2.5 inches of drop on that. But then when we go along the house, we have more slope going towards the catch basin we're going to put in. So that is going to be 2%. So we're going to do 1% here, and then I'll move the laser over there. We'll set it to 2%, and we'll dig that way. And we have the receiver on the excavator so that I can just check that as we're going by myself. I don't need to have Dawn with the grade rod. So
now that's where we're going to be turning that way, and we're going to be changing the slope to a 2% slope since we have more fall on that side.
This is a slope laser, but it's not a automatic. So we're going to manually slope it, and we do that by measuring 8 feet out.
But now we're setting the laser to a 2% slope. Bring it over here.
Now I'm going to go down 2 inches. 2% slope is 2 inches on 8 feet. This button to lower it, so you just start it, you press the button, it starts going by itself. Okay, there we go. 2% slope going that way. Take a scoop, check it, see we got to go deeper. See where we are. Perfect.
Here's this pipe before we fill it in. We got that downspout. We got this one. This one was a little more tricky because the cement for the deck was in the way. And then we got to down here. There we go. Then we'll just have to continue going.